A woman stands in the checkout line of her local pharmacy, and she's miserable. On any other day, she'd be here getting a bar of chocolate or a bag of gummy worms, a little treat for herself after a long day at work. But not today. Today, her red puffy nose and sore scratchy throat are stark reminders that the only sugar she'll be bringing home tonight is in the sickly sweet cherry-flavored cough syrup that she holds in her hands. In this scenario, the woman in the pharmacy is choosing to consume something unusual instead of something that she gets every single day, just to find relief from the symptoms of an illness. Biologists call this behavior self-medication, and it's not just humans that do it. Many other animal species self-medicate too. My research focuses on pollinator self-medication, specifically in bumblebees. Diseases and parasites are major contributors to global pollinator declines. But self-medication may be a defense that infected pollinators can use. Infected bees may, for instance, change their diets and feed on medicinal plants that they find in their environment, very much like a sick woman in the pharmacy choosing cough syrup over candy. To begin studying self-medication, I must first demonstrate that some plants can act as bee medicine. To do this, I work with basil plants and parasite-infected bumblebees. I have found that when infected bees feed on the flowers of specific basil varieties, they have significantly less parasites. However, this isn't true for every basil variety, and there are medicinal basil varieties that produce antiparasitic compounds in higher concentrations than other non-medicinal varieties. To finally see if bees self-medicate, I must then evaluate if they are capable of recognizing and finding medicinal plants in the wild. I am running a set of behavioral experiments, presenting bees with both medicinal and non-medicinal basil plants. If self-medication is happening, I expect infected bees to visit medicinal plants much more frequently than non-medicinal plants. Similarly, I expect uninfected bees to visit medicinal plants less or show no preference at all. With the results of my research, I aim to convince gardeners to become bumblebee pharmacists by planting medicinal basil in their gardens and giving bees access to those flowers. After all, wouldn't homegrown basil taste all the better knowing that you helped a couple bumblebees along the way? Thank you.